Hey everybody, Midwest Wheeling here, and I got a wiring harness from K Suspension, and it's supposed to make your lights brighter, and we're going to do a little install video. So here it is. What this does is it plugs in to your existing plug that goes to in the back of your headlights, and then this part here will plug into your lights. So it still works off your regular switch, but it pulls power directly from your battery, giving your lights more voltage. So let's go ahead and turn the lights off, turn the headlights on, and see what we're starting with anyway. Been driving the YJ as a little winter beater. And alright, flip the lights off. Alright. There's the high beams. There's the low beams. That's what we're working with. Looks a lot whiter in the video. They're yellower than hell in person. Alright, let's put the wiring harness on. Hopefully she makes a hell of a lot brighter than that, because I can't see anything at night. So here it is, all stretched out. You got your two relays. And all you have to do is plug this up to your battery, the positive obviously. This goes into your plug from your existing wiring harness. This plugs in the back of your headlight. And you got to ground it on the driver's side. This short side is going to be the passenger side. And here's the driver's side. And do the same thing. This is from ksuspension.com. And they give you a little nice sticker and business card. Alright, let's go with the install. Alright, so I got it installed. It seriously took only like 15 minutes. Get your positive hooked up. Get your fuse here. I zip tie this all down, but just bolted the relay to the old jack mount. Here's the plug that is your existing wiring harness. Plugs in, and that'll come back already plugged into your relay. When it comes back out, it goes into the back of your light. The other one, I fish through the hole. I'm going to zip tie this to the existing wiring harness down through there, came up through the hole there, and plugged it in the back of the light. And this one, you just leave out. Probably cover that up with some tape. And that's all you gotta do. So let's turn the lights off, see if there's any difference. Alright, here it goes. Oh yeah, that's much better. That's high beam. Here's your low beam. I'm gonna get some new headlights because it looks like the driver's side is a little better than the passenger side still. Probably because the lights are forever old. But I'm happy with it. It was only $25 for the wiring harness. And well yeah, I'm impressed. That sums up this video for Midwest Wheeling. I'm gonna get some new headlights for it, and it'll even be better and brighter. Better, brighter, butter. On a butter, better, broader bed. And go from there. Try it out. It's only 25 bucks. Can't beat that. Installation was really easy, and give her a whirl. See the boo.